You are going to love 2021 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, four-wheel drive, air conditioning, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, trip computer, tilt steering wheel, wipers, variable speed intermittent. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.